AMC Entertainment Holdings share price news and analysis. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about AMC. The one catalyst that we want to talk about in today's video solidifies AMC's whole movement, and we'll go on about that in depth later on in the video. But before we start, make sure you subscribe and like our video. It does help support our channel. With that all done, let's get into some AMC analytics. So, starting off, let us just go through what AMC closed off today, which was 55.05, which was pretty stagnant today even after hours. Down 15 cents, which is pretty stagnant. A high of 60.62 with a low of 52.77 was a pretty volatile day. It did open up fairly nicely, which means there's a lot of interest still in AMC by a lot of buyers. It did start to sell off in combination due to the large interest in GameStop today, so that's a reason why there's a little bit of a sell-off. But in reality, AMC is definitely going to prime and skyrocket. The catalyst, in our opinion, is Wall Street Journal WSJ, who wrote an article about AMC. Obviously, WSJ is very legit and kind of a highly spoken newspaper. The article goes on about AMC options, and the fact that they're talking about AMC and their massive options speaks volumes. It just goes on to say that AMC and GameStop unleashed a burst of options trading. And if you don't know what options are, feel free to read this article since it talks in depth about options. The article also talks about options premiums, and you can see there's $11.58 billion of option premiums that were spent just last week alone. That is absolutely huge. AMC short squeeze score. So, as you can see right now, the short volume is 21% for AMC. That is pretty significant. And the fact that short volume is going up from the trading volume today is pretty interesting to see. Again, that shows we need more individuals buying. Obviously, the whole point of the movement is to not sell and hold your position, minimize the amount of sellers, which increase the price significantly. So we had the sell-offs that happened today. That being said, this just goes to aid in the longer haul of the squeeze. Shorts are still continuing to hold their position. Like we mentioned earlier, 21% was the volume shorted today. That being said, there's still obviously shorts from holding the 7th, 3rd, 4th, and so forth. They're still holding their position, so this 21% isn't realistic. It's a little bit higher. Now, this is not financial advice, so you need to do your diligent research, but in our opinion, this is definitely, in our opinion, getting primed and ready for a very good squeeze going on. Now, taking a look at the volatility of AMC stock. AMC is more volatile than 90% of US stocks over the past 3 months, typically moving around 35% a week. Now it is important to take the volatility of the market since there is potential profit in volatility. On the last market day, the stock's volatility from the low to the high was 14.88%. In other words, the stock moved $7.9 between the high to the low. There has been a gain of 302.4% over the last 2 weeks. AMC stock is considered to be very high risk in today's investing climate, but since the forecasts for the future seem to be favorable, it's recommended you hold any AMC stock you have at the moment. Now, if the stock stays above $55 for a decent amount of time, it's recommended to hold and cash out during the day when AMC Entertainment stock is close to the 59.15. This is the resistance level, and you stand to earn more at this resistance level. Again, we recommend you do your research before taking any decision. With that, we wrap up our video. Thanks for watching.